Hi friends, this video shows how to fix issue file manager app stuck, not able to install downloaded app, not able to allow install apps from unknown sources. Let me open this file manager app explore, then go to internal storage, go to download. Let me try to install this downloaded app total commander. Select it, select install. See, it's stuck. I am not getting any reply here. There is no response. It's stuck. I will show you how to fix this issue. Go to home screen, select all settings icon from top right corner, go to system, go to about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button or select button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Then under system we can find new option called developer options. That's all. We just need to enable developer options. After this we can go to home screen, then open this Explorer app again, then try to install that app. Total commander, select it. See, now it's asking to change permission, set settings. See, now I can give that permission. I am going to allow this Explorer app to install apps from unknown sources. Done. Then select install. See, now I can install that app. Installed. Let me open that app. Done. So this way we can fix that issue. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.